It's that Haas mini mill. I do have it up. At this moment, there are no alarms. And I can actually move the table. It's X-axis moving. Now then, I'm going to go Y-axis. Back the other way. A little noisy, not even that bad. Either axis, not too bad. I'm not moving it very fast, but anyway, and here's okay, now here's, I was moving Z-axis, and this is the alarm that comes up. It says shuttle in. It's for that tool changer right there. There's a switch or something that's saying that it's not in the right position. I don't have time to repair it. I did look real quick and pushed it back. It's there. But let me see if I can get that Z-axis to move for you again. Just a second. I did something here. I just pushed the tool unclamp. I don't really think I got air there, but now Z-axis. See, Z doesn't want to work because of that. There we go. Z is working. Coming back down. And then when I try to jog it, I get that shuttle alarm again. I don't think there's any much big deal here at all. Now, the spindle does rotate, but I do hear noise. If I try to do a power up at restart, which I'll do right now, it tries. It's going down. You can see it's going down right now. And I'm going to stop it here in a minute. But I think the switch up top is stuck. Not a big deal at all. This is going to be a pretty easy fix for you. Anyway, there's your video. And let me go around the back of the machine here. It's got your lubrication, your air, and all of the components appear to be in place. And everything is working except for the tool changer and the motor. The motor is there. I don't see anything damaged with it. So I think you're going to get a good bargain. In fact, I almost think about keeping it now. Anyway, good luck with it. I think you're getting a pretty good machine for the money.